Hello everyone, my name is Emily and I'm an AmeriCorps Vista serving with CICOA, and I'm with CICOA's registered dietitian, Ali Overett today.
Hi everyone.
So thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a recipe. We're going to do a red pepper dip. So this can be a snack. You can use this as a spread on a sandwich, or you can eat it however you'd like. We're choosing to eat it with some veggies today, but you could also pair it with some multigrain chips. You will need the following ingredients for this recipe. You'll need 1 cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt or regular yogurt. You'll need 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. You'll need 1/2 cup of finely chopped red pepper. And then you'll need 1 tablespoon of honey. You'll need 1/2 teaspoon of curry powder. And then you'll need 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. So first, we'll go ahead and add our plain non-fat Greek yogurt to a bowl. So go ahead and add about 1 cup in.
And when you're choosing your yogurt at the grocery store, you can choose whatever kind of yogurt you like, but for this recipe, choosing a plain, either non-fat or full-fat yogurt is a great option. You can also choose Greek yogurt. Just be sure you're not choosing a vanilla yogurt for this recipe. A plain yogurt would be best.
All right, so now we have our yogurt in our dish. Now we'll add about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And when looking for a mayonnaise, you want to look for reduced fat options, as those will be lower in calories, lower in cholesterol, typically lower in sodium. But you can just use whatever you have on hand as well. There's also olive oil mayonnaise or avocado oil mayonnaise, and those are great alternatives as well. So we'll go ahead and measure out about 1/4 cup, which is that line at the bottom here. All right, so now we have our mayonnaise. We'll go ahead and use our spoon to mix what we have so far. So I'm just mixing it all together. And then we're also going to want to add our 1 tablespoon of honey now.
And the honey adds a really great sweetness to this recipe. So you don't need to use a yogurt that has any added sugar or anything like that. Choosing the plain yogurt is best, and then this little bit of honey adds a perfect amount of sweetness to balance the savory flavors.
So I'm just mixing in our honey now. And then we can go ahead and add our curry powder, paprika, and garlic powder. So I have that already measured out here for us. It's gonna give our dish some color.
Smells amazing.
So give that a good mix. It's already starting to look good. So now we can go ahead and add some red pepper. So first, we want to begin by making sure our pepper is washed. So that's good to keep in mind, to always wash your produce. So I'm going to start by cutting this side. So making a cut that way. It's rolling away from me. And then making a cut this way. And then making our stems being a little goofy, so I'm just going to rip it off. Making a cut this way. That half, and then making our last cut this way. There's our seeds, so you can go ahead and put those in the compost or trash. And then I'm going to kind of clean up where some of the seeds are. I'm just going to use one of these halves today. So here's our beautiful red pepper. So we can go ahead and start making some long cuts. And I'm trying to do them as finely as possible, so making those super thin. And start by making cuts in this direction.
And peppers are so great for this recipe because they're really high in vitamin C, which helps our immune system. They're also really high in vitamin A. This is because of a nutrient called carotenoid, and these help with our eye health. So they can help keep our vision strong as we age and maintain our eye health as we age. So that's why it's important to include these fresh fruits and vegetables into recipes that you're eating throughout the day.
Thanks, Allie. So now we'll go ahead and add some of our red pepper in there.
Looks so good.
And then we'll give it a good stir again. So we have some more red in there. And then this is optional. You can add some green pepper if you'd like to the top. So I'll sprinkle some on there for us. And then you can go ahead and enjoy with some vegetables or chips. So thanks for joining us today. This was our red pepper dip.